switch to my magnetized one. The connector case things. Oh, what's... Why do they use 2 boxes? I don't know, maybe yeah, I'll just read the damn manual. Yeah, I need to read the manual for these things. Okay, installing symbol chart. Yeah, hold on a minute. Hey, look at this. Thank you for purchasing a high quality Raspberry product. High quality my ass. Now, where are the instructions for placing? Oh, they're in the front. Alright. I'll just connect the power one first. AC97, what the hell is this? What is this? I have no idea. Okay, whatever. Let's just do something we know. Should be the USB, okay? Now, I have to match it with... Wait, I don't. Yes, I put this here. Looks like a perfect fit anyway. Isn't there's one hole missing? Whatever. Did it fit? Yeah, it fits. Okay, got that in there. You can hear some a little bit crunchy sound because I'm pushing against the board. HD connector. HD audio. AC97 was distant. Oh yeah, these are the power connectors for the lights and stuff. What the hell is AC97? I can't. Oh, now I remember. It's like if you plug in your headphones and stuff. Okay, that makes sense. Hey, look, they got like these. Yeah, they match up. Audio makes sense. Okay, this is plug this here in. Shit. Okay, is it connected? I don't want to bend the pins or else I'm pretty screwed. No, not that it matters, so I don't think I'll use. Yeah, I think it's connected. Oh, there's 2 AC97s. I don't think connecting any particular one matters. So. Alright. HD connector. Where's power? HD. Which one is that? I can't find it. Oh, this. No, not this one. Am I missing something here? No, these are different. These are connected to a power supply, but those Molexes. And so what? Reset power. Okay, HDDLU. I don't. Oh, okay. So that's I just turned off the cell phone. I mean, I had to recharge it, so I couldn't like videotape while it's charging. Because then the SD card is mounted, so I just unmounted it and made it charge only. I use HTC Inspire, so I'm sure some of you know what the problem is. Okay, so I'm reading the manual and I'm going to connect the front panel headers. These things, you know, the power and lights for the case. Okay. These are, they're connected together by different power. What is the power switch PW? Wait, they have a PW plus and minus though. Power switch. Okay, so which one is it? Oh, there's a positive and a negative. Which one's... Huh, there's an arrow here, but what does that mean? Does it mean it's... Okay, this is gonna be a problem. Maybe that means positive. Yeah, it should be positive, right? Yeah, I mean, nobody takes away negative terms. Okay. Oh, they even have labels here. What am I reading? So, that's pretty nice. Okay. What's next? Power LED. Hard drive activity LED. We'll take these apart a bit. Power LED plus and minus. Wait, why are there 3 of them though? There's 3. That's strange. That's 3 of them. That's really strange. Okay, let's skip those for now then. Power, sleep, message, power, slash sleep. Wait, oh man, that's confusing. Hard drive activity. Okay, let's cut this one. There's a reset. Okay, should be. Where's the reset? They better have all these reset ones. Reset. Okay, cool. And this one is minus and plus. Minus and plus. Okay. So. Try to get okay. Yeah, so basically when you're doing these kinds of things, you have to look at the manual, like connectors, because if you don't look at the manual, you just have to fucking guess, and guessing that it never works, or making assumptions. It's a lot easier to make your own. Okay, I'll just disconnect this one first. The hard drive thing is blocking away. Minus plus. Okay, I'm gonna check the manual after I. Okay. Clear CMOS, and it's right next to these 2 pins. I hope I don't plug them in. What is this? That's not gonna be good. Maybe here the manual for the motherboard can tell me more. Page 13. Alright. Page 13 now. Page 15. Ah, they tell you. It connects the power status indicator. The LED is... Oh, okay, I definitely need that. Speaker. Whatever, I don't think I have notes in here. Alright, LED plus, let's disconnect those. But then have 3, that's strange, there's 3 of them. Where is it? Say power LED. Ah, yeah, so, okay, I'm not touching the CMOS thing. These 2 up here in front. PW power switch. Okay, I'll just put the power switch. What is it? Positive and negative. Positive is okay. Okay, arrow. Wait, message power sleep LED. Do I have that? What's this thing then? Power LED. I don't think that matters. Hold on. Let me see something else. Power LED. The front panel design may differ by chassis. A front power LED, power drive activity. Oh, okay. Yeah, don't think it matters. Let's put the power. No, let's put the power LED plus. Does it matter which way I connect it? No, it shouldn't, right? There are like three holes though for the power LED. That's very strange. And this is a bit loose. Maybe I connected the other direction. Nope, still loose. Okay, whatever. Just leave it like that. Oh, by the way, I'm going to reuse my hard drive disk, so I'm not going to install it yet. Because I have finals like soon, and I can't just like reinstall it. I don't want to use the time to reinstall everything. Okay, BIOS setup, blah blah blah. Well, basically it boots up, and I can access the BIOS. I'm just gonna be like, okay, it works. Yes, I'll install the DVD drive first. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass because the last time I installed the power supply first, and then the DVD drive, and then that was not a fun experience. How do I put this here? Did I do something wrong? Oh, wait. No, I'm doing it the wrong way. I need to take this off first, the front. Whoops. God, shit. Oh, they use these damn push pins for the... Oh, damn it. Because I yanked it out at first. I also yanked the cables. Oh, shit. I should have removed the front bay first, huh? Okay, nothing got damaged. That's good. That's good. Alright. Oh, shit, PC. Boards of this shit, though. Did I fuck it up? Hope not. Did I screw anything up? Nope, everything's tight. Man, that is some cheap ass shit right here. Just all you do is yank it out real hard. Hope I don't have to do that again. Okay, the front, right? No, how do I remove this? Oh, there you go. Oh wait, what's this? No, I got it backwards. Oh shit. Oh man, good thing I didn't snap this on back tightly. Oh man, why did I have it backwards? That's so strange. I yank it out, like, number of times it shouldn't like be that tight. Oh, that's strange. So just kicking it is whatever. I think it's like this. Deep break. Okay. Let's try out how this works. Yeah, it's definitely looser now. I can just yank it out really easily. Right, nothing damaged. Good. I mean, for my the computer that I first built, actually when I cleaned it, it's an Antec 300, and when I just like this some kind of filter for dust, and when I put it out, I put it out too hard, and I broke like one of the like the tabs that keep it in place. Maybe there are 2 more of them to. Oh fuck! Oh shit! I guess you can't push it in and push it back up. Oh man, that was. Oh wait. Yep. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna screw this in, alright? I'm gonna like actually. I'm gonna screw it into the CD. Okay, to 5.25, I need to screw C. Wait, is this a 5. Yeah, that's 5.25. Wait. Oh, I had this problem. Well, it's not a problem, but you see here, it's like the cables are blocking the. Oh man, that was stupid of me. Why did I realize this? Whatever. I just tighten in the power supply, you know, so it doesn't like wriggle around. Oh, whoops. Okay, it's not fitting in this way. Yeah, this. Okay. Trying to just get matched up the holes, but yeah, something's blocking this thing here. Oh right, it was this little thingy right here that was blocking it. Okay, the holes are matched up. Should be. Right. Okay. It's a tight fit. Where are my screws for those? Are they in the case? Where did I put them? Wait, it should be. Oh, right. There. Okay. No, that's the easy. Now we're just connecting this match, mix, and match. Okay, let's not get those jammed up. Yeah, that's for the Molex. Okay, Molex connects. 14 Molex, I think these were. That's what these were called. Here. Wait. Okay, 14 Molex for the. Oh, what's this? This is a receptive one, right? Okay. Let's put this in here. Oh wait, where do I put the? Where do I put my hard drives? Yeah, I didn't think of that. Huh? Where the hell do I put my hard drives? This case is, I think it's, floppy is hard drives. Screw B. Where, oh, right. Yeah, right here. Insert D. Maybe you only put 2. Well, that's a suck. Not that I need more than one, actually. There's 2 of them. Let's just read the manual and see what it says. Two fans. Why are there, 2 for harmonics for the front? That's strange. Do I need to connect? I don't get it. Why do I have 2 of those? Oh, wait. I know why. Yeah, one is a receptor one is the one. There's a male and a female one for a receptor. So I probably just have to. I think they give you like 2 versions of it, but you only connect one because you might have a Molex. You might not have enough. Oh shit! Which is in my case. Do I have 2 of them? No, I only have 1. Oh shit. That's funny because then luckily they have it's perfect because then I only have 1. Oh shit. I would have been so screwed if I only had just fine. I wouldn't connect my front fan. I would have been screwed. Can I do this right? Do this here. Okay, so I think it might be. Oh, I have 2. Okay, no, I have 3 of these. What the hell am I doing? Why the hell do I? Oh, whatever. Shit. Wait a minute. This is a female one. Wait, no, I think it's male, right? The insert kinds are male. This is for... How did I connect this earlier then? I can't remember. Wait, if in this case, I only think it matters because I have a transformer that allows me to switch to Molex. Not that it matters. Oh, I'm retarded. Yes. There's one in the back. There's a male one in the back. Oh, no shit. That's how I did it earlier. Oops. Let's take a look real quick. Yeah, I thought I had a... Yeah, good thing I realized that, otherwise I would just got my power, the Molex transformer, the Molex one to the SATA. That would have been quite annoying to dig that back up in dusty. Dusty. So, does this look... excited to make this one neater. I think that's the best I can do. Yeah, that's the best I can do. Okay. There's no fan control, man. I hope this doesn't like the fans don't make a huge sound. Okay, PCIe, don't need that. Oh wow, that's nice. They give you like 2, yeah. The main cards probably take like 8. Nice. I don't think my other. Oh, they have 2 of them too with SLI. Nice. Or, that's what I remember. Where's that 4-pin? No, wait. PCIe. This is for the power, huh? What's can I break this up? Because I don't think I need 8. I mean, this is for the motherboard's power. So I need like a 4-pin one. What's the manual say? Well, where's my power? Alright, wait, is this the power? Or what does it say? Oh, you can break this out. Okay, so it's definitely yeah, you can break this out. I did. Wow, I wonder my other power supply can do this. Yeah, so this is definitely the right one. I also use a particular one though. The difference it has is okay, I think it fits now. It's fit. Yep, it is. Okay, make sure this doesn't hit anything like the fan. That would be bad. Be pressure on this. Okay, what's oh, the right part. Yeah, you see. Next, if I ever build a high, like a mid-end CPU computer, I'm just gonna buy a modular power supply. Look at all these wires. That's so annoying. If you have a modular one, you just like use the ones you need. Okay, this is tiny. This is the power for the entire motherboard, I think. Yeah, and the other 4-pin one at first was for the CPU. Okay, let's see. Checklist. Power CPU. Case USB. Okay, we don't have